Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on September 21st, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So I haven't done a video update for quite a while. Last week, if you notice, we had a lot of light volume in the market. The market has pushed forward. We were looking at the SPY. We were in a bit of a wedge pattern, but just if you notice here, we've been getting pretty much low volume for the last couple of days and weeks. What I noticed here was a wedge pattern. This actually triggered an entry for us at that 199.80 to 201 level. Okay, we talked about this potential gap fill here, and this actually filled here partially. Okay, we actually kissed this on that Fed release, stating that they were going to keep interest rates at zero, at negatives. Now you're hearing talks in Europe that they're going negative interest rates. This could be the next move here for the Federal Reserve. I think what they're doing is they're placing blame a lot on China, but just overall, just GDP growth, unemployment, it's pretty much a false uh, growth domestically here. I think that a lot of this push higher in the markets has to do with liquidity pumped into the market. You're talking about inflation rally, QE. A lot of that has gone into effect. A lot of confidence has kind of been taken out of the markets after they just kept on pushing that they were going to go raise interest rates. They never did. It actually caused a little bit of a pop, but then we saw the market close at the low of the day. This was significant. This is pretty much what I call a fake out breakout. This never confirmed above it. Now what you notice here in the markets right now, if you look at the SPY, we're trading at 194. So we're looking for a close below 195.50 on two consecutive closes to confirm below this wedge pattern here. Okay, if you break lower, I do believe that we will test this level here, that 186 level, and then a potentially double bottom here at 182. So if we do break this level here below this 21-day moving average at 194.80, okay, I do see some a potential drop, okay, down to this 186 level, and then this potential test of this double bottom here at 183. Okay, so this is the setup. When I did mention, I told traders to keep an eye on the buy zones here. This actually triggered here on the SDS. We actually hit a low here of this level here at 2107. This actually triggered, and then it actually popped. I think that these contracts are probably going to go up higher today. We were trading Yahoo. Okay, we were seeing this bullish inside flag pattern. It did kind of test this 3174 yesterday, but then it closed a little lower. This might be under a little bit of pressure, but remember, as always, you want to lock profits on the way up. Okay, the QID as well. If you notice the QID, we talked about this level here. We told traders to keep an eye on this trend line, and you actually kind of kissed it, and this gave an opportunity to actually trigger around this range. And right here, this is where you notice it kind of kissed this level. I talked about this level here, and we actually kissed that 33 level, gave an opportunity to enter at the lows with this bullish inside flag pattern here on the QID. The IWM as well, we told scalp short range was here at that 117.80 level. Okay, it actually hit a high here at 118.89, and now if you notice here, the IWM is actually trading at 114.21 right now. So we have some pressure in the markets. Everything leading to Europe. Okay, Europe closed lower. The market is down in Europe. I want traders to not fall in love with the downside. We want to make sure that we have that confirmation. That confirmation is key. I want traders to kind of look at that 195.50 level, close below, and then that 194.80 level, close below. If you do close below this bottom trend line, okay, you have downside all the way down to 186. okay, for that double bottom down to that 186, 183 level, which I think that we're going to kind of touch. Okay, the TZ8, again, that actually kind of triggered down here. It gave us a low entry at $10.48, and now we're trading at 11.41. Okay, and if you notice here, we give the setups here. Buy zones 10 to 11. Our target was 13. Second target is 15. So if we do break, okay, the SPY, if we do break the SPY down on the down move, any move back here will be a shorting opportunity. So just practice your patience as well. I know some traders added at that 200, 201 level, and they're in the money right now. So, you guys are doing pretty good. I do think that if we do break 194.80, 195.50, we're going to look at more downside. So you can hold onto a much bigger move. The Tvix, okay? The Tvix, I told traders to watch that $9 to $11.80 range. It closed at 10.07 and actually came all the way down. It tested the $7.68 and it actually pulled back. Never closed or confirmed below that. So we never stopped close on this. So this was a beautiful move on the Tvix. Right now, the X, okay, steel, US steel is kind of struggling. I do see this trend line kind of holding. We're at $12.50 now. But if you notice here, we're right at that range. If you do close, okay, below 13 on 2 consecutive closes, you want to kind of stop out, you can do that. We're holding these contracts up to January 16th, 2016. There's a lot of talks here about, instability abroad, the Middle East, Russia, China. Any news, okay, any news here on any type of situation, we could see a pop here on X. Okay, this is steel. In any case of any global calamity or war, U.S. steel is going to go up. Okay, watch the gap fill here, okay, at that $17 range. Okay, you got a big gap fill here at that $17 range. So, right now you are oversold here, okay, and you're approaching a potential pincher. So I want traders to kind of keep an eye on that X. Okay, if you do stop out, you can always stop out. Now moving on to the OTC. Okay, this actually triggered for us. Hptg gave an opportunity to enter from 0007 to 8, okay, to 9. We actually closed at 12. Okay, just a beautiful close. 13s were up at a point. I do feel that this has a potential to kind of move up potentially to this 0.002 to 0.0025 level. So watch the Hptg. Okay, this is a low share structure stock that should be rallying. Okay, the Embr triggered at 0.0067. Okay, that actually triggered at 6.7. Gave an opportunity to kind of enter here on this box pattern. Pulled back as low as 0.006. Rallied, had a gap up yesterday. Okay, and we opened up here at 14 and then rallied, hit a high at 24. Now watch this potential gap fill here at that 12 to 14 level. Okay, watch that 50% retrace. Well, potential right here, what you call an inside flag pattern. Okay, watch that 12 to 14 re-entry on the EMBR. Nonetheless, okay, you had a nice 200% move here on the EMBR. Next one is the Bgnn. Okay, if you notice here on the Bgnn, okay, you're kind of posting a reversal here. Okay, it kissed that bottom at 0005. Now we're trading at 0008. This is a weekly chart. So if you do close above 8, 9, 10 on 2 consecutive closes, next resistance is going to be at 19. You're talking about 100% move there. So watch the Bgnn for an entry. Another one here is the THNS. Okay, you had a bullish reversal candle here. Okay, you touched that 0.0011, which was a trigger. Okay, a starter entry, and we closed at the high of the day at 14. If you look at the 50% retrace, 0.0021, that's probably like about 10, 11. So just keep an eye on that 10, 9, 10, 11 level for that probability trade. Okay, just a great trades. The last couple of weeks, we have been doing very, very well. Our mobile app is down. Okay, we are doing some work on the mobile app. I apologize. I am sending this stuff through RSP Premium Twitter. I will be sending it through via SMS. So just bear with us. We're trying to get that mobile app up as soon as possible. If you're not seeing the mobile app, if you don't have access, all you have to do is be on GroupMe chat, okay, or on the RSP Premium Twitter, and those alerts are getting sent out via that range. Also on the GroupMe chat. Okay. Any information or any questions you want, just email me at radiosilentplay at gmail.com. Take care, everyone.